All right, so Neil called and wants us to look at this house. I guess we have it under contract to purchase as a wholesale. Neil wants us to buy it and renovate it. Now, he did warn us it's a hoarder house. The question is, how bad of a hoarder house? So, well, I guess let's get out and take a look. Let's see what we're dealing with here.
Check it out.
Okay, is somebody here?
Why is there a car here?
I don't know. So let me look at the car real quick, because maybe I can see. I don't think she's been, look at the leaves and stuff in the front. Crap playing around. I think that, yeah, I don't think this car's been used in a while. Yeah, I don't think so. I think he said it's been vacant for quite a while. So, all right, let's, we have a lockbox on it. Let's go check it out, I guess, right?
I can smell it from here.
Yeah, when you can smell a house on the outside, that's not the best thing in the world, so here we go. Oh, oh, what the? Oh my God. I don't even know where to go. Hey, it has new windows. That looks nice.
Oh.
Look at the, that's the kitchen. Honey, this is the kitchen. Look out.
Oh, I don't want to step on anything.
This is the kitchen.
This is nasty. I have flip-flops on. There's
all right.
there's a doorway. Is that a doorway or
That's
is it
a
a
door.
closet? What is that over there?
That looks like a basement. I don't know how we're gonna get to the basement.
How do you get there? Don't touch anything.
Well, honey, we gotta see what's going on here. We gotta see if this is, why does Neil think this is a good deal to buy? Which, we're looking at the structure now, right? There's the basement. How the hell do you get to the basement?
The basement. He must have crawled over.
So look, let's take a minute. Let's look around. Seriously, we're here. It stinks. It's wretched. So it's a big living room.
I think I just threw up in my mouth.
Need a railing right there. Listen, you can't be a wuss in this business. You've got to be strong.
No, but this is why you carry hand sanitizer in your car at all times.
You can't be a wussy. You got to be strong. This is money. Somebody actually lived here.
It smells like urine. This is definitely one of the nastier houses we've been in. This reminds me of when we...
So there's the bathroom. There's the bathroom, okay? So there's the bathroom.
It's actually sad.
This is, there's another bedroom over here. You know, the funny part is the windows are new. The windows are new, the walls look straight.
Look at the bumper sticker. A dirty mind is a terrible thing to waste. What about a dirty house?
This is hoarder central in here. Oh my God. Okay, so listen. So two bedrooms up here with a bathroom. We gotta head that way. Oh my God. Again, new windows up here. Nice tall ceilings. Hey, there's a bed down here.
Under piles of...
Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, man. I'm gonna blow my knee out going through
So
here.
there's two bedrooms up here?
Oh.
Is that what
Oh.
There's 3 bedrooms up here.
1, 2, 3, right?
3 bedrooms up here.
And here I am in the loft. All right.
That's the living room.
It's hardwood floors.
Over there.
Believe it or not, I can see a piece of hardwood floor every so
honey,
often.
they're probably ruined. I mean, there's pet damage all over the place. There's cat litter up there. These floors are gonna be...
So 3 bedrooms.
You know, this isn't as bad as that one house, the cat hoarder house, though, where the floors were actually from the urine.
No, I don't think, I'm not so sure I'm worried about cat urine as much as this is just filth.
But why?
The TV over there. I don't know where she lived or he lived. I don't know where they lived. I don't get where the bed was. I don't get it.
And look how yellow it doesn't smell like cigarette smoke, but it sure looks like it.
Looks like it's like, okay, so we got can I get to the basement? That's the big question.
I'm not crawling over that.
I understand.
This is not...
Oh, look at this. Oh,
I wonder why they had flies.
You give me $10 if I eat that? Oh, that's nasty.
You would never kiss me again.
That is nasty.
on the verge of ever letting you touch me again at this moment, being in this house.
Are you? Hey, look at this place. Oh man. All right, let's get out of here. The funny part is the house, if you look at the outside, the doors are new, the storm doors are new, the siding is new, the windows are new.
This is worse than the witch house that we did.
The witch house?
Yeah.
I remember the witch house. We've done so many, I forgot. Oh, yeah. There's a window down low there. I don't know what that window is too.
Let's look around the other side real quick.
Okay. Wow, that is a hoarder house, baby. Ooh. Oh, the yard's not bad. Oh, it's a split level.
Are there more rooms, you think?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, where? Oh, that's the garage.
That's the garage. So it is a new roof on the outside, so you're talking about 4 or 5 grand there.
So there were 3 bedrooms upstairs. Where were the stairs?
So
in the
electrical's new also.
So that doorway in the kitchen must go down here.
All right, let me take a look in here and see. All right, basement is finished. I'm pretty sure it smells the glass. I think I just took a whiff of that.
It's pretty bad.
All right, so listen, we gotta think about what this is gonna cost, right? At the end of the day, can we make money on the house? I'm not sure on this one. They want $67,000 for the house. That's what the estate wants, the lawyer wants it. I would love the lawyer to come out here and walk through himself, because he's digging his heels in, and I think that he's absolutely crazy.
It's too bad that scents don't go over video or pictures, because the smell of this house is
we can
just
send him a
wretched.
scratch and sniff and say, hey, Mr. Lawyer, take a look at this. Yeah, so I think, we could, so the truth is, I think we have to buy it for cheaper. I think we're gonna have to negotiate down. If we can negotiate down, we can make a deal. I think, so they want 67, which means with buying and selling costs, or buying and holding costs, we're 70,000 in, not holding, but buying costs, we're 70,000 in if they pay that price. To fix this whole house, the majors are done, right? The siding is good, it's got new siding. It's got new windows, which is ironic throughout. It's got new electrical service that looks fairly new, that's been done. Something just dripped on me again, that's disgusting. I hope that was just water. Could be a body, I don't know what that is
There's
up
like
there.
a whole little hydroponic thing going on in the gutters.
All right, so back to the numbers. I'll creep down out here. This is quite the little Zen garden back here if you ignore your lawn. All right, so 70,000. If we have to put everything in here, this is probably a 1,600 square foot house with upstairs and downstairs, give or take, 3 bedroom, 1 bath that we know of. There might be, am I boring you? I'm so sorry, okay? I didn't mean to bore you to death, okay? I'm so sorry. See, because I was the one climbing around in there. Thank you, my dear. Are you done yet? Okay, anyway, so, oh, she loves me, doesn't she? I'm her favorite. Okay, so 70,000 renovations. We're into it for 140. It sells for about 200 all day long. So we're looking at about a 50,000 profit if everything goes well. I think we have to buy it for more like 50.
Yeah.
I think we have to buy it for more like...
You wonder where he got his numbers from.
I don't know.
I mean, you can't comp this.
No.
This is disgusting.
So here's the deal. I think if we can negotiate and buy this for 50,000, I think there's room, because you can hire a company. So you can hire a company that comes out and cleans all this out. We won't come clean this ourselves. No one, our team won't even do this. We'll literally hire a company. We have a good friend here, a company called Junk King. He'll send his guys in and they will earn their paycheck that day.
Oh yeah.
But they'll come in here for a few $1,000s, maybe more on this one. They will put dumpsters outside, they'll put masks on, and they'll come in and they'll just gut, and they'll take everything out of here, and in a day or two, right down to a clean surface. Well, not cleanly here to eat off of, but it'll be a clean surface we can look at.
Right.
And then we have our palette to look at and say, okay, what are we gonna do from here? Then we can decide, do the floors, can they be refinished? Do we have to lay new floors over them?
Right.
What do we have to do to make it look better? Is there a smell, is there a scent there? But I think the majors are all covered in the house as far as I can see.
What we can see.
What we can see.
We don't know about the furnace. We don't know about the hot water heater or those sort of things.
But yeah.
Make sure we include that in the budget.
Right.
And if we don't have to do it, then it's a bonus.
If we open up and there's a brand new furnace, because maybe they went through and did all new stuff.
Maybe.
I don't know. Maybe they did that. Can you imagine the guys who put the windows in? If it was like this? The neighbors said it was like this the whole time. They said it's been like this for 16 years.
It's a sickness. I mean,
Someone, yeah. I feel bad for them. It's obviously a tough situation. But as an investor, if you could not be a wuss and get through it. We've been through some houses that have.
This is not the worst one.
No.
It's up there,
It
but
is.
it's not the worst one.
Probably top 5.
Yeah.
We've been in some houses that we really gonna kind of puke.
Top 3.
So, yeah. So anyways.
This is top 3.
So let's make our decision. So bottom line, if we can buy this house for $50,000, get it cleaned out, get it gutted, and do our work, we should be looking at a $60,000 or $70,000 profit, and we'll earn it on this one.
Yeah.
So should be good.
Yep.
Done.